Good morning. I'm at an open house today. I'll be going in shortly at 651 Mulberry Lane, Arroyo Grande, California. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, approximately 2,900 square feet. And the broker is Keller Realty, Central Coast. Woohoo! The listing agent is Shannon Bodie. So I'm going in now and I'm going to take a video of a home tour. Again, I'm at 651 Mulberry Lane. This is a beautiful home. Just going to show you here. We're going to go inside now and take a look. This is the den area. Those are doors to the backyard. French doors. If you go down the hallway to the right, there is a bathroom there. We're going to head inside where the agent is.
That wind right there,
Good morning.
you're in a really windy spot. Yeah. I'm going to leave and get teammates. So
Beautiful kitchen.
Yeah. Well, thank you. You're welcome.
Beautiful kitchen area. Hi. Got some nice goodies here today for everyone. We're going to go outside to the patio area now.
That isn't the right type or something like that. So I'm going to say, but the inspector is
Going upstairs now.
and he was saying that it was difficult to get through the trusses to it. So I'm not sure if Casey, I think we'll have better.
This is looking outside. Nice backyard. Beautiful for entertaining. This is a nice office, workroom, whatever you need it to be. This is a loft area. Hi. Master bedroom. Beautiful. Master bathroom. Beautiful, large, big shower. Nice. Wow. Even a design and the tile in the shower. It's beautiful. Closet. 2 more bedrooms up here. Beautiful. Loft again. Nice bathroom. Amazing home. Come take a look at this in Arroyo Grande. Look at the chandelier. It's beautiful.